Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Take the hairs on the back, tie it like this. Now take another section of the hairs, roll it like this and fix it on the back or on the side of the right side using the hairpins. Now make the plaits. So take very small section of the hairs and join it one by one on the back like this. Join it in the same manner as we are doing it. Fix it together and it's ready. Next, we will take the hairs like this and tie it on the back. Now keep taking the hairs like this and join it one by rotating it. Now make the plaits on the hairs as shown in the video. Make the plaits very carefully. Fix it from both the sides and join it on the back like this. Now after that, rotate it and keep it upside. Now take another section of the hairs, tie it like this on the back and fix them into each other and rotate it. Now fix the hairs and it's done. Next, we will take the hairs on the back, tie it like this and then take another section of the hairs from the sides, roll it and fix it on the right side like this. Now we will take the hairs and then make the plaits on it like this. Fix it tightly and properly. Now you will fold it upward and fix it like this using the hairpins and your hairstyle is ready. Next, you have to take the hairs like this, tie it on the back and then rotate it. After rotating the hairs, we will take half section of the hairs, fix it on the right side like this using the hairpins. Now take all the hairs, fold it upward like this. Now roll it together and fix it on the back using the hairpins like this. Line it with the hairline like this and fix it as shown in the video. Pull out the hairs from the sides and it's ready. Take the hairs on the back like this and tie it and then rotate it. Now take another section of the hairs and fix them into each other. Now take the hairs on the sides, divide it and then rotate it like this together. You can make the plaits as well. Now after making the plaits, follow the same step for the other side of the hairs. Fix it on the back by joining them together like this. Put the hairpins and your hairstyle is almost ready. Take the hairs on the sides like this and join the hairs from the top as well to make the plaits. So divide the hairs into two parts and then follow the zip and make this hairstyle on the left side like this and fix it as shown in the video. Now take the hairs on the right side and tie it and then rotate it using the hairstyling tool. Now fix the hairs into each other as shown in the video. Fix it carefully as we are fixing it. Watch the technique very carefully. Now roll the rest of the hairs upward and make a bun like this. Put the hairpins to fix it and it's ready. Next, make a ponytail and then rotate the hairs. After rotating it, we will divide the hairs like this into three parts, divide it from the between and again rotate it like this. Now fold them upward one by one like this. Now tie them together and make the plaits on the downside of the hairs. Pull out the hairs from the sides a little bit. Now after that, we will fold it upward and fix it using the hairpins like this. Put it and put the hair clutch like this and it's ready. Next, we will tie the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then fix them into each other and then rotate it. Now make the plaits on the sides of the hairs like this. Make the plaits carefully as shown in the video. Fix it tightly. Now join the hairs together on the back. Tie them like this by taking small sections from the sides again. Fix it and make the plaits on the hairs like this. Tie it carefully as shown in the video till the end and follow along the steps as we are showing here. Tie it in the end and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to fold it upward and fix it. So next, we will take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then rotate it. After rotating the hairs, divide the hairs into two parts and then roll them together like this. After rolling it, we will fold it upward and fix it to make a bun. Fix it tightly on the top like this and then put the hair clips to fix it and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.